Hello to all of you. Well, I'm super excited. I'm here with Judy Sinansky, and we want to talk and share with you an opportunity. If you're interested in diversification, then I highly recommend that you listen because we can literally teach you how to get a diversified passive income, a plan, and results in a couple of months. And if that's of interest to you, then I consider that you should listen a little bit further. So, what are we doing? We've all had COVID, we've all done these online courses, and now we're looking to do a live workshop. I personally have been investing internationally for 28 years. We've helped people in 178 countries, and we've facilitated about $1.3 billion in terms of investment. Now, no one should care about that because you individually want to care about yourself and you getting results. Now, Judy, as an example, you walked a journey and you wanted to be able to invest, you wanted to be able to diversify. And so you came along to a diversification challenge, which was an online challenge. And that sort of took 5 days. What was your experience of kind of going through that challenge?
Well, it was really eye-opening. And Scott, so much value was delivered in those 5 days. I mean, you should be charging millions of rands for it. There was just a lot of information that was delivered. There were opportunities to ask questions, to find out more. And I came out of those 5 days with a completely fresh perspective and enough information and knowledge to direct me and change exactly what I was doing with my investments, where I was investing. And I was very excited to join the mastermind because for me, the power of community and coming in and meeting like-minded people who want to grow their wealth and not just their own wealth, they want to grow generational wealth. It's a wonderful space to be because you're learning from what other people are experiencing all the time, as well as coming along on your own journey.
You know, what's so interesting? I love what you said. Two things I love what you said. The first is that a lot of people can get the theory. There's a lot of information out there on the internet. You go and research it all yourself. You can look at ChatGPT. But one of the things I love about when people go through this is they walk away with a plan so that individually, as you said, you can actually now execute on your plan. And I think the power in that is immense. And the second thing that you said, which is important, is community. You get to meet other people. You get to be around other like-minded investors. And there's so much power in that compared to trying to do all of it on one's own. And something we've learned in 2024, which I'm interested by, is that I've done live events. That's how I built the business. In 2004, I jumped on stage in Putney in London. We had 120 people, and I taught them how to invest in property in England and South Africa, and kind of the rest is history. And then COVID came along, and everything happened online. And what we're realizing is the world is wanting to go back to human contact, human connection. And so what we've done is we've organized an event in Johannesburg on the 8th and 9th of November. You can literally click on the link below and you can come and join us. And everything that Judy went through in an online challenge, we're now doing in a physical workshop. So it's Friday and Saturday. The logic is that if you're a corporate employee, you miss one work day. And if you're a successful business owner, you still have a bit of a weekend, but it's a balance between the two. You're not giving up your whole weekend. You're not giving up your too many work days from a productivity perspective. But I do fundamentally believe that if you want to have wealth, if you want to diversify internationally, if you want to build globally diversified passive income, you need to spend the time to be able to do this, which is why my strong recommendation is you put these 2 days aside. We only have 60 places. It's a 60-seater auditorium. So we are wanting to keep it to a small group of people. And really for me, I mean, you can click on the link below. You can go read about all the kind of the details, what you'll get about it. But in simple terms, if you're interested in diversification, if you're interested in walking away with a plan and then being able to execute on that plan, then I'd highly recommend that you join us for the workshop. And one of the things I'm super excited about is that Judy and I are going to be launching a concept where we're going to be empowering women. Derek is going to be launching a concept where we're going to be empowering farmers. Abdul's going to be launching a concept where we're going to be empowering business owners. And one of the things we're going to actually encourage is conversations from different groups around what are some of their personal challenges in this space. And so it's not just a generic kind of everyone gets stuck in the same box. It's like, right, these are my problems and how do I actually solve them? So I don't know, Judy, in final words, if you just want to talk to that a little bit, because I'm super excited about you joining us, physically at the event and being part of it, and Derek and Abdul equally. and guiding people with some of the personal challenges they're going through and how we can help them find solutions.
Yeah, and it's really interesting, having met Derek and Abdul and all of us coming from completely different backgrounds, yet meeting in this space has been so empowering, and we've learned so much from each other. Really excited to have a live event, and you get it all in one go over the 2 days. And of course, there's a wonderful opportunity for connection, for learning, and for empowering yourself and moving forward in your life.
Awesome. Well, I can't wait to see you there, Judy. I can't wait to share, this experience with you and with the people that are watching this video. If it is interesting to you, if it does intrigue you, then literally click on the link and we'll see you there. And if not, well, maybe try and catch one of our online sessions. But really, we are finding that people that really get results are the people that spend the time, invest in themselves. And ultimately, let's take your 10-year dream and turn it into a reality. I don't know about you, but if you're anything like me, and I'm sure Judy, you're the same, I cannot believe that we're in October, November already. Every year, most people go, this year is the year I must invest internationally. This year is the year I must diversify. And then we blink and another year go past. So take this opportunity, join the workshop, set yourself up for success, and make 2025 a year that can have that catalytic change that you're looking for. I'll see you online. Click below. Oh, sorry, I'll see you live actually. Click below at the workshop. Cheers.
Bye.